Well, today's the day, ladies and gentlemen. We got the most important passengers in the car. Everybody's loaded up. We're going to Just Tire or Discount Tire in Arlington Heights to get these mounted. Fingers crossed they know what the fuck they're doing and they don't scratch up these wheels. They have road force balance, so yeah, let's hope it's worth it to go out there. We'll be back. Well, here we are. Made it back home. 305/30 20 Porsche spec tire as represented by the NO. We reused my front tires. These are also Porsche spec, but it's not visible on here, but they are. We're gonna do what Obsessed Garage does and cut all these little nipples off, put some tire shine, clean up these lube stains from getting it put on the car. All of them mounted pretty well. The most was 1.5 ounces or 1.25 ounces. So I'm gonna heat this up with a heat gun, press them down real good, make sure they don't go flying off or anything crazy like that. And we'll get them mounted on the car. So be right back. All right, I've lost my kitty underneath this goddamn tarp. It's beginning to snow flurries, which is fucking great. I need to program the rear sensors, which I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna wing it together right now. All right, BMW 5 Series. This is a F10, but this is a 2015. So it's going to be this one. We're going to go program sensor, copy by activation. We're gonna go right rear. Right rear. We're gonna scan this bad boy. Come on, Baba. Never takes this long. Okay, we got it. Perfect. Now, we're gonna go left rear. All right, we got that bad boy. And now we're gonna go back and we're gonna say copy. And we're gonna copy it to this sensor right here. It says programming sensor. Sensor not detected. That's nice. Tire pressure is above 10. Please deflate. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, it didn't work, so I'm gonna try to deflate the tire and see if that works. Follow these instructions. Please hold. Well, boys and girls, what do you think? Make sure you comment below. Do you like the look? Do you not like the look? Personally, I freaking love it. It looks sick. Absolutely freaking sick. I don't think I'm gonna adjust the height or anything. It looks pretty damn sweet the way it is. Yeah, the front is legit perfect. The back slightly higher. I like that reverse rake look. Look at that reflection. It looks sick. Man, I love it. I love it. Let's go do a little spin, break those tires in, shall we? I love this goddamn car. It sounds so fucking good, bro. God damn. And the fucking tires in the back are so wide, it's crazy. Back at the scene of the crime. My TPMS is still having issues resetting, gave me a malfunction once, but the reason we're back here is because I lost my center cap, so we're gonna try to freaking find it and hopefully we don't run it over. So yeah, where could have it gone is the question I want to know.
They look sick. Fitment is perfect. 305's in the back.
All Alright, so I did have to end up purchasing this Bosch specific sensor to be ordered to program these Bosch sensors that I got for the back. Now that it's programmed, I'm gonna reset it, go for a drive, make sure everything's reading correctly, and then the bad boy is getting returned, because I do not need a $700 scanner. That's not gonna do me any good. Alright, so I just reset this again, and normally when you start driving, probably within about a minute or two, it will start reading the sensors and giving you a reading. So I'm gonna go for a little round right around the block and hope they start reading how they should. As you can see, it says resetting tire pressure monitoring system. So let's see. I mean, the sensor's programmed, they're showing and picking, or, you know, being read by the computer. So it should hopefully work properly now. I hope, because if it doesn't, I'm going to be annoyed. Alright, the tires turn green. It's showing measuring pressure, which is already a great sign. It did not do that before. I'm just going through a very slow street, so hopefully once I make it onto the main street, I mean, everything's cold. I'm not even able to accelerate fast or anything, so hopefully it just works how it's supposed to work. And boom, there we go. I didn't even have to go around the block. Everything is working, programmed how it should be. The wheels are officially 100% complete. Let's go. Let's freaking go, guys. I'm just gonna set the tire pressures perfectly when I get back. I'm gonna probably keep it at 36 in the front and like 30, yeah, probably 36 all the way around. These cars like to have the tires pressures a little higher than normal. So yeah, guys, car is good, everything is freaking good. The tires look good. The control arm bushings that are replaced from Polyflex are absolutely amazing. The steering is way more direct. There's no dead spots in the middle anymore. There's zero additional NVH. That was my main concern. I didn't want to have any like clunking from the transmission or anything like that, and there's absolutely none of that to be had. So very happy. Sway bars also made a massive bushing. There's zero body roll on this car now. I mean zero. Before it would roll, now this thing is solidly planted. So I'm happy and I'm ready for season 2026 with the BMW F10 M5.